Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2004 Hyundai Accent 3-door hatch, stock reference number 5640. This shape runs from the 6th month 2000 through to the 4th month 2006. It has a G4ED 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4ED 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, front bumper cover, left guard has 2 small dents, left power door mirror, bonnet has 2 small dents, left front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Tailgate has a tiny fold on the left-hand edge. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. And a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Automatic gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel.